Good afternoon, welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood, South Birmingham. In this video we'll be showing you our Volkswagen Caddy Maxi Life 1.6 TDI CR. TDI CR 1.6 diesel manual, 2012. Only covered 76,000 miles and had the cam belt replaced at 46,000 miles. Very pretty car in raven blue metallic. Caddy Maxi Life, really practical these. Lots of room, twin sliding doors on either side of the rear of the vehicle. Huge up and over tailgate. Alloys and tyres, great condition. New front discs and brake pads. I think it might have had rear brake pads as well. Just had an engine service. Really nice clean example this. Normally these are very high mileage, but this one's covered 76,800. Very nice and clean inside. Multifunction leather steering wheel, privacy glass, air conditioning. Lovely and clean in the back. There's storage in the rear footwells. Storage up above the front seats in the roof. Obviously roof rails on the top. 1.6 TD red eye. Lots of room in there. Huge boot area. No dents at all that I can see. Got a few surface scratches, but you know, it's very, very nice for a 2012 vehicle. A few light scratches, but nothing serious at all. Generally a very, very, very nice example. Wheels are original and not curved. You can see the new front brake disc there. Not particularly chippy on the front. Bonnet's in nice condition. Mirrors aren't scuffed. Looks to be original paintwork. All the door cards and trim are in nice condition. Obviously been looked after. Actually, just come up 77,003 miles. Aircon's on and it's nice and cold. 5-speed diesel manual 1.6. No wear to the carpets or seats. Comes with 2 keys. Nice thing that. Price £10,995, no VAT. Cam belt replaced at 46,000. 77,000 miles in total, 2 keys. Lovely, lovely thing, ready to go. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk to see our other vehicles. This video will be hosted on our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243. If you head over there, you can watch this over and over again. But also, there's nearly 2,000 car videos on there we've produced over the last 10 years. You can have a thumb through those. And if you would be kind enough to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243, then you will get a little notification every time we upload a fresh vehicle into stock. You'll be one of the first people in the country to know that we've just had that vehicle in. Thank you very much for your time today, and goodbye.